guys, so for today's video we're going to be doing a basically a very pink look, should I say. So it's going to be like eyes, lips, highlighter. We're kind of going for the whole vibe of like pink. Don't I have a pink, yeah, and pink blush. Just everything's going to be a whole pink vibe because that's what I'm feeling today and that's what I would like to do. So I'm going to do voiceover because yet again it goes so much quicker. Otherwise I yap. So yeah, let's get started, okay? Okay, so skincare and eyebrows are already done. So we're going to prep the eyelids first. So I'm going to take the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and we're just going to put this all over the lid. Then I just stick some tape down. And then we're going to take, this is like a customized palette. So all of the colours will be listed in the bottom bar. But I take this shade first. And I believe this is Anastasia Beverly Hills in Orange Soda. And we're just taking that through the crease. Just a light little dusting shade in the crease. And then take this, so it's the other end of the crown brush that I use to put on the eyelid primer, just to blend this out a little bit further. Moving over to this next shade, I'm pretty sure this is from Colourpop. So I'm taking that on a Spectrum and KJ Hughes brush. So we're packing this on the outer corner mainly and taking it up to the crease a little bit. Then taking the other side of the brush and just blending that out. So there's no extra product on that. Then blending it out again with that same crown brush. Moving over to the next shade. We're going to pop that sort of in the outer corner crease area just to add a bit more depth and a little bit more of that pink shade. Then moving on to this deeper pink shade, we're going to pop that on the, well, I guess it's eyeliner essentially. So it's the eyeliner area. And I take a small little brush just to blend this out with. This is why I love using shadow as eyeliner. It's just so easy to work with. Then I take the Garnier Micellar Water and a cotton bud and we're just going to clean up the area. So obviously I remove the tape and then we do this. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild concealer. I don't like this, I just use it to cut my crease, but I literally take a liner brush and just line the top of it. I don't do the entire thing, so I just kind of map out the shape, and then I take this little brush and just kind of pat this out and drag it down a little bit. Obviously, it's all dependent on how you like to do this. I'm just finding this easier to do now. Then I take this gorgeous shade from Half Magic. It is so stunning. It is my first time using this and it is gorgeous. So I do take it on a brush first. And then I take my finger, dip it in just to really intensify this colour. And then I just do some blending work. So just blending the glimmer into the matte. Then, because more is more with glitter, I take the Jordana Ticia. This is like their Twinkle Tower, but in pink. So just popping a little bit of that on as well. Then going back into the shade and really just defining that top lash line with it more. Then I take lashes. So these are from Ardell and these are in 423. And then I take the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in Waterproof. And we do that off camera. And then come back for the face. So I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And then I just blend that out with a foundation brush. Obviously you can use whatever brush, you can use your hands if you like, it's completely optional. Then I take the Hourglass foundation. I didn't realise this is discontinued, but I'm just trying to use up the products that I have. But a similar one I think would be the Natasha Denona like High Glam. It's very much like that. It's very full coverage. It's gorgeous. So I take a brush and then I take a beauty blender just to blend this out with. Then I take the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Corrector Concealer. Yeah? Corrector in Cherry Blossom, and we just pop that on the under eyes. and then we zoom past because it's been 2 to 5 minutes to let it dry, and then we blend out. So obviously you don't see any of that on camera, so it's kind of like a little zoom. And then I take the Cover FX Power Play Concealer and we put that on the under eyes, the forehead, the nose, Cupid's bow, chin. 2 to 5 minutes we wait again, and then I blend that out with the Hourglass concealer brush. Yeah, again, just taking the same brush on the forehead, the eyes, all over the face as well. Then I take a little sponge, the Pat McGrath under eye powder, and then a little like velour puff. The little puffs are from Real Technique, so I just pop that on the velour puff and then I pat it on the back of my hand first. Then we pat out the eye with this little sponge, and then take the powder and just set the under eyes. Then taking the Westman Atelier contour stick in Biscuit. So just take that on the sort of shadows of my cheeks and then the temples as well. And then just blend that out with a Crown Brush C436. And then I take the, oh, why can't I think of the name? The Nude Sticks Bondi Bay. And we're just going to take this as bronzer. So I take it on the brush because I just prefer it that way now. We take that on the cheeks. And then we also take it on the forehead as well. My hair gets all up in this. Really, I should be holding my hair back while doing this. Then I take the Maybelline City bronzer. And we just pop that over where the contour is just to set it in place. So taking that on the cheeks and the forehead. Then taking the Charlotte Tilbury, oh, I can't remember what these are called. It's like the glow ones, but I take that on the cheeks, take it on the inner corners, and then I take a little bit on the nose as well. Now I take the Ochre Filling Myself highlighter palette. So I take the middle shade, which is Pillow Talk, and we pop that on the inner corners. And we pop a little bit on the nose as well. Then I take a bigger brush and we just pop this on the face as well. Then taking the Fenty Beauty Cream blush. I think this is in Poppin' Petal. So I'm just going to pop this on the cheeks. And then I take the Luna Beauty Moon Prism palette. It's like their blush palette. It's such a gorgeous palette. Taking that shade there and just setting this blush. Then mixing these 2 shades from the palette, we pop this on the lower lash line. And then I take the Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner pencil. I think it's in Eye Cheat. It's like a creamy off-white. It's so gorgeous. So we're just popping that in the waterline. Then I take a lower lash mascara, but you can see none of this. You're going to see it top of my head. Then taking the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush powder, and we're just setting the face with this. Then I take the Pat McGrath lip liner in Done Undone. We're just lining the lips with this. And then you can sort of see here I'm filling in the outer corners. So I do that on the top and the bottom lip. Then I take the MAC lipstick in Angel and we're just applying this all over. Then taking the Half Magic lip gloss. I believe this is in Y2K Cherub, I believe. It is honestly so gorgeous. Then taking MAC Fix Plus. And then the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray. And that is it. Okay, so this is the completed look. I absolutely love it. Yeah, it's just super sparkly, super pretty. I feel like it's super girly. It is definitely full glam, but maybe like a little bit more minimized on the eyes. Or maybe that's just my opinion. Maybe this isn't minimized, but yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video.